Gotta see things, see new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'll be doing a set of fall olive green nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm just cutting up the little foil to do on her ring finger, and I am going to be placing it over a layer of glitter. So this is just some gold glitter by D&D, and while the base is still wet, while that glitter is still wet, I'm going to pick up the foil and just place it right over that gel polish. Again, that is just some gold glitter. You can do this over a clear nail, it doesn't matter, but I wanted it to be a little bit sparkly. And again, this is just gold foil, and it kind of has a little bit of like copper in there. And then for the rest of the nails, I'm going to be using this really pretty gel polish in the color Greedy Realism by EzFlow, and you can find this one on eBay. I found it a while back. I know it's really hard to find a pretty olive green. For the index finger, I'm only going to be doing the tip. So as you can see, I only apply that polish on the tip, and then with my cleanup brush, I just go back and make that perfect smile line. As always, I just wipe from one side to the other, and I dip my brush into acetone right before I do that. After that, we're going to cure each hand for 30 seconds, and I'm going to go back and do the same thing to the other hand. So we're doing the glitter with the foil on the ring finger, we're doing the tip nail on the index, and then the rest of the fingers just that plain color.
Gotta see things, see new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget.
Okay, so I'm going to cure this hand for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and do a second coat on the other hand.
Gotta see things. See new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget it.
Okay, so after we finish applying our polish, I'm going to go in with some bling. So of course I'm using my Mia Secret Gel Resin, some SS6, SS12, my wax pencil, and then I'm also going to spray in with the activator at the end. So you just place your glue wherever you want your bling. Just pick up the bling with your wax pencil, place it on the nail, and then afterwards just spray it with the activator. And that's only if you're using this Mia Secret Gel Resin. There's a lot of glues that you don't need an activator, but for this Mia Secret Gel Resin you will need the activator. Like, I highly recommend it, because if not, that glue will take a lot longer to dry. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the Ibd Gel Top Coat, and then I'm going to cure this hand for 60 seconds.
Gotta see things. See new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget it.
So same thing for this hand, we just apply the glue wherever we want the bling, pick up the bling with the wax pencil, place them down, and then just spray them with the activator and do the top coat. And I always use the same top coat, which is the Ibd Gel Top Coat, and we cure it for 60 seconds.
Gotta see things, see new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget.
Alrighty, so once both hands are cured, I'm going to go in with my clear pineapple cuticle oil and I'm just going to apply that on her cuticles. And this is the final look. So they turned out really, really pretty. That olive green and that foil look really good together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32. And I'll see you guys next time.